IMOTO is one of the most frequently chosen models in the Rotenso lineup. But what stands behind its popularity? Watch this video to find out for yourselves. Today I'm here with Ola, our expert. Hi Ola. I must say that IMOTO is definitely one of the best choices on the market when it comes to price to quality ratio. Its wide and sleek design fits perfectly into any interior, but what can you say about its performance? Are there any special features that make IMOTO stand out?
The unit is available in both single and in multi versions, so it means that you can connect up to 5 indoor units to 1 outdoor unit. And what's more, the IMOTO comes into a wide range of capacities, so everyone can find a perfect match for themselves.
Recently, more and more people rely on their air conditioner not just for cooling in the summertime, but also as the main heating source in the winter. But can you tell me what it actually looks like in the practice? Can an AC really replace a traditional heating system?
Well, definitely. Let's start with some numbers. For example, the 2.6 kilowatt model has a SEER of 9.3, which corresponds to the triple+A rating for cooling, and a SCOP of 4.6, which gives us double+A for heating. That shows that the AC can efficiently heat up our space even when there is a winter outside.
I must say, the numbers sound really impressive, but they might not mean much to a person without the technical background. When we say a model has an SCOP of 4.6, what does it actually mean for the user? Does it correspond to the energy use or the heating efficiency?
The SCOP indicates the seasonal coefficient of performance. If the SCOP is equal to 4.6, it means that on average during the heating season, the AC produces 4.6 times more heating energy than it consumes electricity, which shows how energy efficient the AC is. Compare especially to the heating fan when it consumes as much electricity as it gives the heat. So to generate 4 kilowatt of the heat, we need to consume also 4 kilowatt of the electricity.
So we can definitely say that SCOP shows how efficiently the unit turns electricity into heat. Higher means lower energy bills and better warmth in the room. That must be key for anyone using their AC as the main heating source. But would you recommend our users to choose a model with 4-season operation kit?
Well, definitely. The 4-season operational kit implements the drip-dry heater and the compressor heater that ensure that the AC work efficiently even when the temperature outside is as low as -22°C.
But what if I have a summer cottage or a holiday cabin where I'm not staying every day? I'd like to heat it up occasionally without running up my bills too much. Can IMOTO handle that?
Absolutely. IMOTO includes the Smart 8 Celsius degrees function, which maintains the constant temperature of 8 Celsius degrees. That prevents your indoors from freezing at the low cost.
Sounds great. And what additional features might be especially useful for those who are looking for something more than just a standard cooling and heating in AC?
There is smart integration. IMOTO works with the BMS system, Google Home and Alexa. What's more, IMOTO can be connected to various of controllers, like a wall controller, central controller, and the dry contact port, which links your AC to the window sensor or to hotel key cards. And finally, IMOTO has a built-in Wi-Fi system, which lets you to control your AC from wherever you are.
I must say, super handy features, especially nowadays when we're used to controlling everything from our phones. But what if I have an unusual room layout where some places are warmer than the others? Is there a way in which I can control the temperature of the room more precisely?
There is a smart flow function, which includes the temperature sensor in the remote. So the AC can adjust the temperature specifically at the location of the remote. But we need to remember that the remote has to be visible for the AC, so it will send it real-time stats, and we can precise the temperature perfectly.
Ola, thank you so much for the clear breakdown of IMOTO model. And if you are curious or have any questions, just drop them below in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Thank you for having me, and you can find more information at therotenso.com.